Okay, what's up guys? I am back again with another house video this time. Today I'm going to start the makeover on my laundry room. It's not a huge laundry room because I live in a townhouse, like a 1,500 square foot townhouse, but it is, I feel like it needs a little flair, something cute. It needs some more organization as well. So yeah, I am going to be showing you guys what it looks like now and then showing you the process of me doing it over. I'm going to do some wallpaper, some cute little functional things, and just spruce it up and give it some cute, make it homey, I guess you could say. But yeah, so I'm about to jump into it. And yeah, make sure if you haven't checked out my other makeover videos, go check those out and then come back to this video. They'll all be in the same playlist of my home series. And I will see you guys in the next clip. Doing this is a lot more complicated. This line is pointless now because I cannot use it for nothing. This is what she was talking about, where your wall and your ceiling is not even. So now it's a gap over here. Not lining up exactly. What you want?
Several hours later.
Alright. We got one panel stuck on the wall. And when I tell y'all, this probably took a whole hour to stick this one panel on the wall.
But wait!
There's more.
And then look at this. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you see how that starts separating from the wall?
It's supposed to look different.
Apparently, my wall is lopsided, or like the lady on the video I watched said most people's wall is lopsided. So yeah, a word of advice for when you are doing this. She said the tutorial I watched said to measure the width of your wallpaper first and then draw your line. You should probably do like a ½ inch shorter than the width. That way you can overlap the paper on the wall if your wall is sideways, so you have wiggle room. Like, cause it shouldn't be off more than like a ½ inch. But yeah, you want to measure out and level it out a ½ inch shorter than what the actual width is. And that's what I should have did, and I might go back and do it, I don't know. But for today, we're cutting it here with this one raggedy panel. Let me show you again. And I literally mean raggedy. We cut it off there, and I did leave some extra at the ceiling, so maybe I'll try to re-stick it tomorrow. We try this again, but we are breaking because we are hungry. So yeah, try it again. Maybe we'll try to re-stick this one. I don't know. It's very hard to re-stick, so I strongly advise to stick a little bit at a time. Get all your air bubbles out. Make sure it's level. Leave a little excess on the wall, because your wall and your ceiling and stuff is probably not exact 90-degree angle, and it's not going to be straight all the way down. So you can't use your wall as a guide. You need to measure, get your wallpaper lined up with your line you make with your level, and do it that way.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
Because I know how long it takes, and I know how it is doing it with women.
What's this supposed to be?
That's aggressive. I know what you're doing. What do you mean? It's aggressive. I know what you're doing.
Just come back and get to them.
Paper is folded. Okay, I'm back many weeks later to try this again. As you can see behind me, I did put up the rest of this wallpaper, but I'm going to show you real quick. It looked terrible because it just started going wrong and continued in that direction. So this is just kind of crazy. It's all sideways, and yeah, that was an epic fail, and I'm blaming it on this geometric design. So this time the wallpaper I got is not such perfect straight lines because my wall is not straight, so it's very difficult to get the designs to line up appropriately, and so we're not doing that no more. So pray for us as I prepare to take this wallpaper down. It shouldn't be that hard, and then we're going to put up different wallpaper and continue the makeover of my laundry room. So stay tuned to see how it goes. Seems pretty renter friendly. It didn't take much paint off the wall.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie.
fell down there. I spoke too soon. Oh my goodness.
Like, wait! There's more!
Rip the wall.
Wow. Taking all the things off the wall. All the way down to the drywall. So, you know, that's something to take note of. Got this wallpaper from Target.
I'm recording.
Okay, so this is the new one I got off of Amazon. I will link it in the description what it is. It's similar to what I had, but it is not perfect lines. I hope that makes a difference and makes it easier to put up. Okay, so this is still peel and stick, but it looks like it's like hand drawn. So I hope I got enough. I got 4 rolls for this wall. So here we go again. All right, we have 1 strip on the wall, and as you can see, that's the terrible part where all the paint ripped off. But I think that, you know, because the wall is uneven, but these imperfect lines kind of disguise it a bit. So and so then it won't be as noticeable that it's not perfectly straight. But we'll see how it progresses. All right, this is the almost final product. You can see it got a little shaky right here. I might be able to fix that, but you won't really be able to see it because it's going to be stuff in front of that. But overall, this turned out much better than the last one. But yeah, I have to do is trim off the sides over there and some on the ceiling. But I am done with the wallpaper for the most part. And 10 out of 10 does not recommend doing wallpaper. It was not a good time. But I did it 2 hours later. This is like the smallest wall in my house. And it took a solid 2.5 hours to do. So, be warned.
You know this before my mind. All I ask is take it sweet.